What is up, YouTube? It's me, Tone Classic, and I'm just kind of toned down today. You know, I have on jeans, real chill, you know, like rocket power type shit. Homecoming weekend has officially started. My two of my best friends from high school are coming to see me. They are like super fun. I'm really excited for all my friends to meet and like all these different intersections to come together. I feel like homecoming is where like black people, we use homecoming as an excuse to just be as extra as possible. We use it as an excuse to wear the outfits that we could not wear anywhere else, at the risk of being deemed extra. Wait till you see what I'm wearing, okay? Extra. Oh, I got your extra. Slight change of plans. I'm on my way to my friends real quick to, number one, get a air mattress, because I do not, my apartment is not a, it's not a hotel, so we're really just gonna have to make do. I'm also going over here to like get some pictures of my outfit real quick for my vlog / gram, because I take this fashion stuff very seriously. Like, this is something I want to make a career out of, and I never have anyone to take my photos. So thankfully, Alyssa always snaps, you know, good pics of me when I need her to. And she gets that it's not just for me to be cute and post on Instagram. It's because I'm trying to establish a brand for myself, okay? Stop hating. Okay, got my pictures. I'm home now. My apartment, as you can see, is absolutely a mess. I'm about to transform this entire situation into something fabulous because my friends will be here in 30 minutes, oh my God. Fast forward, it's like almost 8 o'clock. Nobody's here yet, nobody's ready. Wow, all jokes aside, my friend Shalise just got here. She should be, here she is. Say hey. Hey! Yes! I don't know why you got all that stuff. We only here for 2 days, boo. Oh, she expensive. Look, y'all. She got Louis Vuitton luggage, bitch. She got MCM. What's that, Man Crush Monday, girl? Yes, honey. I'm excited, you guys. Like, this is my friend. Look at her.
Yes. I can talk now.
Hey. Okay, we gotta get ready, bitch.
Hello.
Hey. Oh my God, it's my friend. Give me a hug.
It smells so
Oh
good.
my gosh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, so much. Yeah. Oh my God, I can't. Hey, what are we toasting to, guys?
I don't know.
To graduating.
To graduating. Yes. It's very sweet.
Ooh, but very
strawberries. Come on, B. Precious! Get down here, bitch. You think you so mother special?
Oh my God,
You
listen.
went my mother man that had 2 mother kids and a one running around here looking like a goddamn monster. Wow!
You guys, we're not even on schedule. We're ready.
Hey!
What's up? Oh my gosh, hey. Why you look good, sis? Who did your makeup?
You did.
Oh my God, y'all look so pretty. Wow.
I gotta wait for it's the birthday.
Oh, hold on, wait. Oh my God.
Did they leave her?
Okay, come on. Oh my God. I don't know, do a flip. I'm here with the lovely Ashley.
Hi.
She's an actual queen. And Alyssa.
Alum. Hi.
Alum. Okay, prestigious, a woman. We're on our way to Bible study. And I'm honestly so excited to hear the word. Oh my God, Taylor.
Your dog is
She does it every morning. Hello.
Hey, I know, my dog works too.
Honey, where did you get this ponytail? We're living.
Bomb.
Should I be like a realer Insta bitch and not tell you?
$14. Yucky. Period.
Use her coupon code. What's your coupon code?
Coupon code bad bitch. Period.
Bad bitch.
Hi.
What party are we at?
The Alpha and the AKA party.
And how is it?
It's poppin', it's cracking, it's pretty thick in there, you know what I'm saying? We're just, you never know.
It's okay. Hi friends, what's up? Say what's good. We got Oz in the background.
Oh my God.
Okay, period.
Taylor. Hey Taylor, your numbers friend, right?
Sorry?
Numbers friend too, right? Nice to meet you. Hey Shanice.
Good.
Hi.
Good friends. This is my boy. Make sure you guys take care of him, okay? Nice to meet you.
I want to go to Wendy's. I love Wendy's. I want to go to Wendy's.
Hey guys, we are at Hotbox Pizza.
Oh no, I gotta get this.
This night was kind of a bust. Actually, no, it wasn't. We had fun. Did you have fun?
Minus the whack ass DJ.
Minus the whack DJ. I had fun because of who I was with.
Period.
Listen, we're home.
Remember that streak? They recorded me when I was sweaty. If your friends do that to you, they're not your friends.
Shanice, that's not true.
How was everyone's night, to be honest? Like, how was
Good.
it?
I'm having a good
Did
time.
you have fun?
It was fun.
Because
Even
we're
though
going to
Anthony
tailgate.
dropped me when I was on his back.
She fell on. Okay, bye. Come on, let's get the pizza. These the same people that said that they wanted a pizza.
We wanted the pizza delivered. We did not want to have the pizza.
We didn't specify whether we wanted the pizza delivered. We just said that
Who
we.
the f want to drive out and get a pizza?
I have clear stuff on my face. We finna walk up in here and the cousin Vinny's with this on my face.
Yes, you are.
I look like I'm infected with something. Hey guys, good morning. It's day 2 of homecoming.
What's in my head?
It's day 2 of homecoming weekend, and we're about to go in here and get breakfast.
We're just about to go and be Betty Crocker's and Aunt Jemima's for the morning.
And Paula Dean's.
And Paula Dean's.
And
can't forget Aunt Paula.
Did you tell them we're stealing it?
Okay. Absolutely crazy.
My pajamas aren't see-through. No, they're not. All right, cool.
I hope mine are. You look like an old ass woman. The whole aisle.
Like fish.
That's you.
Please close your legs.
When I say Hillshire, you say farm. Hillshire.
Farm.
Go Meats. We went to Bella Noche's last night and they started fighting outside the club.
If we can't get into Bella Noche's, then where the hell can we go? Where's Aunt Jemima?
Aunt Jemima. Aunt Jemima is racist.
There you go, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord.
Okay, how do I cut it off? Because I think we're about to get put out.
Got the groceries. Okay guys, so we're getting ready for tailgate. And we have Ashley here, the lovely Ashley. We have Alyssa doing nobody's makeup. We don't care about her. We have Taylor over here looking like Aunt Jemima.
You.
How is going on? Hey, this is ghetto. It's ghetto. This is ghetto.
We just had burgers. And ghetto. We had good burgers.
Burgers with no bun.
We did have a bun, bitch.